हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट। मैं आप लोग के सामने टॉपिक वेक्टर लाने जा रहा हूँ जो कि फिज़िक्स तथा मैथ दोनों के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, जो कि मैं सुपर डुपर मैजिक ट्रिक के साथ आप लोग के सामने प्रेजेंट करूँगा। आइए अब हम शुरू करते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना पॉइंट वेक्टर। फर्स्ट, this vector is the very important for both subjects physics and mathematics, and very important for the point of view of the in examination. First vector. First vector means a quantity which has both magnitude and direction. Okay, again this is the definition of vectors: a quantity which has both magnitude and direction both. First, this is the line segment. Now line segment, this is the AB. Line segment is the blue color here. This line segment AB is the vector we represent by the A arrow. We represented by the arrow. This show the vector. First, vector quantity. Direction means show the arrow, and this is the magnitude. This is the direction, this is the magnitude. If the vector A, then A equal to AI plus BJ plus CK. This is the vector, and its magnitude is under root square of coefficient of I plus square of coefficient of J and square of coefficient B. Okay, denoted as AB dash or A arrow. Read as vector AB or vector A. Point A, this point is called initial point. Initial point means IP, and point B is called as terminal point. This is the initial point and B is the terminal points. Distance between initial and terminal point of the vector is called magnitude. Magnitude we represented by the mod. This is the mod AB or mod A. Okay, this value is the same with respect to the unit vector. IJK is the unit vector of the axis along x axis, y axis and z axis. Okay, arrow indicate the direction. Arrow, this arrow will be indicate the direction of the vector mod A greater than 0. Magnitude is the always greater than 0. Magnitude is also called length. Length is the never negative. Okay, type of vectors. There are different type of vectors, but the most important vectors are presented in front of you. First is zero vector. Zero vector is also called null vector, whose initial point and terminal point, whose IP, initial point, TP, terminal point is constant. Okay, that means both points are same. Unit vector is the one of the most important type of the vector. That means unit vector names also represents that vector whose magnitude is 1. That means unit, this is the A cap, represented by the unit vector is this the cap. A cap is vector A upon mod A. This is the unit. This is also called the direction vector. Third is the co-initial vector having same initial point. Those vector having the same initial point is called, this is OA and OB are the co-initial vectors. Okay. Fourth is the collinear vector. Collinear vectors means those vectors which are parallel to each other, having same or parallels. That means A equal to lambda times B. This is the collinear vector or parallel vectors. Okay. Equal vector. Equal vector is another type of the vectors whose same magnitude and direction. इक्वल वेक्टर जिसके मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शन सेम होते हैं, उनको इक्वल वेक्टर कहा जाता है. दैट मीन्स मॉड ए बी इक्वल टू mod cd. ab this and cd both are equal if these magnitude are same, but their vector a not equal to cd equal to 0. Negative vector, negative of the vector, same magnitude but the opposite in the direction. नेगेटिव वेक्टर वो होते हैं जिनकी मैग्नीट्यूड तो सेम होते हैं बट डायरेक्शन अपोजिट होती है. दैट मीन्स दिस वेक्टर ए if the direction is a to b and cd if the direction is c to b, that means mod ab equal to mod cd. But in case ab vector ab equal to minus vector cd. Okay, seventh type of the vector is coterminal velocity. Coterminal vector and other vectors are free vectors, localized vector and coplanar vectors. This is other type of the vectors. Okay, now addition of the vector. Addition of the vector is the follow the two rules. First is the triangles rules. That means this is the triangle OA is the vector A and BC is the vector B. Then resultant vector AC equal to AB plus BC. Okay, this is also can write AB plus BC. This is the taking left side AC. This value is this. 0 is also we can write a vectors. That means this is the important thing. This is the vector quantity. So AB plus this is the BC. Okay, AC is equal to AC equal to minus CA. This is therefore minus AC equal to plus CA. This is not AC and CA. This is the major difference. Okay, now second law is the parallelogram. This is the parallelogram, symbol of the parallelogram. This is the symbol of parallelogram law. This is the draw the parallelogram whose adjacent side OA is A vector and OB is the B vector. Now the resultant OC is equal to OA plus OB. Our conclusion is about the both laws are equivalent to each other. Okay, that means resultant by the both law we obtained same. Multiplication by the vector lambda, that means mod lambda. This is a scalar quantity, that means number like 1 2 3 etc. Modulus of this lambda times a vector is equal to mod lambda mod v. That means this is the a, that means scalar quantity half a. This is the vector, this is the double, then 2a vector, then direction will be changed, then the minus a by 2 and minus 2a. Okay, now the most important thing, one of the most important part of the product of the vectors. Product of the vector is the very important for the all examination is. Therefore we can most serious about the products. First product is scalar. Scalar means scalar has like numbers which has no direction, like 1 2 3. This is also known as dot product. And okay, and second one is the vector product. Vector product is also already discussed in details, but this is the very important output result for the numerical point of view. Okay, now dot product is represented by the vector a dot, this is the a, and this vector is angle between both is theta. Then a dot b equal to, we can write a dot b, but in case of the vector product a cross b not equal to a cross b cross a. In this case a cross b is the minus b cross a. This has both magnitude and direction already discussed, but in scalar quantity has only magnitude. Okay, this formula is very important. A dot b equal to a mod b cos theta. But in case of this cross product, this is the mod a cross b equal to mod a mod b sin theta. This is the important thing. Here is cos theta, but there is the sin theta. Mod a is also can write only a without arrow. Mod I, mod j, mod k. This is the unit vector. That means modulus of this unit vector is 1. due to the definition. Okay, that means I dot I means mod I cos 0, angle I and I, this I and I angle is 0, that means value are put 1, that means 1 is equal to I dot I, j dot d and k dot d. But in case of the cross product, I dot I is the angle between this is the 0, then I dot I and j dot d and k dot k is equal to 0, because of sine 0 is equal to 0. This is the trigonometric value of sine 0. And in case of this I dot j, in between them is angle is 90 degree. Okay, then mod I mod j cos 90 is 0, that means 0 is equal to the I dot j, j dot k and k dot I. We can also write, in case of this is also write I dot k, k dot j and j dot I. In dot product there is no difference, but in case of the cross product, mod I cross j, because of the angle 90, mod I this value is 1, and mod I is the unit vector, then value is 1. Okay, this is very important. I cross j is 1, but j cross I is minus. This is the very important thing. Okay, so we can write 1 equal to I cross j, j cross k and k cross k, but it inversely minus I k, okay, minus kj minus I k, j cross k is equal to 1. Okay, this is the very important things about the vectors. Now we talk about the some other important thing like projection, section, formula, and direction ratio and direction cosines. Okay, now we first start from the position vector. Position is the very important topic of the vectors. This is the PV. PV means position vector. Initial point is this and terminal point is B. That means position vector V equal to point V minus P. We find the position of a PV means that means point V minus point P. Position vector is the fixed vector. This is the definition. Position vector is the fixed vector which locates a point in the space relative to the another point. This is the relative points between two points. Okay, another is the projection. Projection is the very important in the point of the view of the numericals. That means projection on B, that means B is in the modulus of denominator. This go into the denominator. This is the very important thing. On, this is the on is the important. Okay, that means P projection A on B, that means equal to A vector A and unit vector of B, that means unit vector B A dot B by modulus of B. This is a very important output and results. Okay, now is the another formula is the section formula. Section formula is also important. Section formula are the resultant vector when internally in this is the both case, externally divides and internally. You are also know in the coordinate geometry is also in 10th or 9th, 10th in CBSE and 9th in the ICSE. Okay, similar to that case, in case of the internally divides, resultant vector is equal to m vector V plus n into vector A upon m plus n. This positive sign shows the internally divides. Okay, and in case of the externally divide, then we can also draw the figure like this. This is our figure. Okay, this is m, this is n, this is the A and this is the B. Okay, that means m goes with the B, n and m goes with B and n goes with it. This is the our resultant. Okay, we can easily find. Now is the another most important thing about the vectors is the direction ratios and direction cosines. Direction ratio are the, if the vectors are equal to AI plus BJ plus CK, then ABC is the direction ratio. But in case of the R is the unit vector, then LMN is the, we will be take direction cosines. Direction cosines, L equal to cos alpha, M equal to cos beta, and N equal to cos gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma is the angle along the axis X, Y, and Z. Okay. Now is the important result. Direction cosines, L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. This is the very important thing. This is the unit vector. In case of the unit vector, we find, yeah, we got direction cosine, but this is the, in case of the vector, not unit vector, we got direction ratio. This is the multiplier of I, J, K, the direction ratio. In case of unit vector, we've got LMN is the direction cosines. Okay, this is very important, and you can, any confusion, you can see again this video. Okay, thank you my dear student. At the last, मैं आप लोग के सामने जो है यूज ऑफ द वेक्टर को बताने जा रहा हूँ. यूज ऑफ द वेक्टर और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू वेक्टर्स, लाइक या एज ए फर्स्ट इज द डॉट प्रोडक्ट and second one is the cross product. Okay, dot product is also known as scalar product, and cross product is also known as the vector products. How to calculate the value of dot product and cross product? Dot product is also in the number form like 1 2 3, but cross product is in form of the ijk. If A is A equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k and B equal to B1j plus B2j plus k. In case of the dot product, A dot B equal to A1 B1, A2 B2 and A3 B3. A1 B1, A2 B2 and A3 B3. Okay, this is our scalar quantity. In case of the cross product, we use the, for cross product is the use of the determinant. Okay, this is the ijk format is the A cross B equal to ijk A1 A2 A3 and B1 B2 B3 second vector. This is the direction cosines. The use of the dot products to find out the collinear of two vectors, then A, for the condition A equal to lambda times B, this. Okay, projection of vector A on B, this is important thing. B will go on denominators. That means PA on B equal to vector A dot unit vector of B. That means A dot B upon mod A. This is the projection of the vector. And also find the angle between two vectors. Then cos inverse theta equal to cos inverse A dot B upon mod A mod B. Length of the vector is also calculated. Magnitude of vectors A or B. Test for the orthogonally, perpendicular or not. Okay, in case of the cross product, first we find the area of the triangle. First calculate the A cross B, then modulus of A cross B upon 2 is the formula for the area of triangle. But in case of the parallelogram, parallelogram is the short form of parallelograms. Area of parallelogram is equal to mod A cross B. It is very important to see the vector A and vector B is the adjacent vector of the adjacent sides vectors. That is OA. We never use OA with other vector AB and others. Find perpendicular vector A and B, that means unit vector. This is the unit vector A cross B divided by A cross B modulus. Okay, dot product holds the commutative law. A dot B equal to B dot A, but in case of the cross product holds the anti-commutative law. That means A cross B equal to minus B cross A. Dot product also holds the associative law. A plus b bracket plus c equal to a plus bracket in bracket b plus c. This is the associative law. In case of the cross product holds the RHS rule, right hand rule, that is the we stress the our three fingers, thumbs, first and second fingers, each are perpendicular to each other. Okay, this. Then first finger show the vector a, and then and second finger show the vector b. Then cross product is thumb will be indicate the a cross b. Okay, thank you. This is the very important results.